Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at South Moon Varicose Vein Spray, a product that claims it can refresh, revitalize, and moisturize your tired legs while magically improving the appearance of varicose veins. It sounds like a dream, right? Smoother skin and a relaxed feeling without any actual effort. But before you get too excited, we need to ask the big question. Is this product actually legit? Stick around, because I'm about to break down exactly why your legs and your wallet might want to run in the opposite direction. Let's start with the first major concern, clinical proof, or rather, the complete lack of it. This spray doesn't provide a single shred of evidence that it has ever been clinically tested. Most legitimate healthcare products are more than happy to brag about their scientific results. But here we get nothing but silence. Apparently, trust me, bro, is now a substitute for medical validation, which is a massive red flag for anyone who prefers their skincare not to be a total mystery. Moving on to the second issue, the product doesn't even bother to list its ingredients. That's a pretty bold move in an era where people generally like to know if they're spraying battery acid or lavender water on their skin. This isn't just about a lack of transparency. It's a genuine safety hazard for anyone with allergies. I suppose mystery liquid is a bold choice for a brand identity, but it doesn't exactly scream reliability. Then we have the before and after pictures, which are, quite frankly, an insult to our collective intelligence. These photos look like they were edited by someone discovering Photoshop for the first time in 2005. A quick Google search reveals the exact same images being used on dozens of other random websites. It turns out copying and pasting someone else's results is much cheaper than actually making a product that works. If they can't even show real photos, why should we believe a single word they say? The marketing tactics are just as shady, featuring those classic flashy banners claiming 50% off only today. Fun fact, today apparently lasts for eternity in the world of scammy skincare. It's a cheap trick to create fake urgency, paired with vague buzzwords like even-looking skin and feeling of freshness. It's basically the linguistic equivalent of a shrug. They're selling you a vibe, not a solution, and that vibe is scam. Finally, let's talk about the reviews. Their website proudly claims to have over 1,200 glowing reviews, which would be impressive if it weren't a total lie. When you look outside their controlled environment, we found exactly one review on Facebook from someone who was just confused about a link. It really makes you wonder if those 1,200 happy customers are actually just the developer's alternate personalities. So, is South Moon Varicose Vein Spray legit? With no clinical testing, a secret ingredient list, fake photos, and questionable reviews, this product has more red flags than a minefield. If you're thinking about buying it, I'd suggest being extremely cautious, or better yet, just don't. Stick to trusted brands that actually exist in reality. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest updates.